Have you ever woke up in the morning with a stiff neck or gone to check your blind spot while driving only to have to turn your head and your torso together like a robot because you have severe pain in your neck? Hey guys, my name is Dr. Neil from Strength and You, your fitness and therapy experts, and today we're going to talk about several different types of neck pain. So the first type of pain arising in the neck today that we're going to be talking about is facet pain. Now generally someone with facet pain would have a hard time turning their neck left and right or even extending. This is because the joints in the neck become inflamed. It would look like that typical guy when he's driving his car, trying to turn and check his blind spot, but instead of turning like this and checking, he'll kind of move his whole body. Now this type of pain may look funny to onseers or onlookers, but it really hurts. And someone experiencing this type of pain may actually think, oh my God, will this ever go away? But with a couple of visits to the chiropractor or the physiotherapist, it tends to clear up in a couple of days. The second type of neck pain we're going to be talking about today is muscular pain. And it usually arises because of weak muscles, repetitive strain injuries, poor posture, or even overuse or improper lifting techniques. Now typically someone experiencing muscular type pain in their neck would really only feel it when going to engage those muscles. What I mean by that is if I have pain in, let's say, my trapezius muscle here, I'm not really going to feel it if I'm moving my feet. I'll feel it more so if I'm lifting my shoulders up like this or doing a shoulder shrug in a gym. Typically when someone has muscular pain, they could have it stretched, you can go to your massage therapist, but two other things you should do is seek rehab from a physiotherapist to strengthen the muscles so you can keep up with your daily demands and your load, and also incorporate a postural awareness program. What I mean by this is as follows. If I'm going to work out, let's say 1 hour a day and stretch for half an hour a day, and then I sit at my office or my desk 8 hours a day like this, no amount of exercise for 1 hour is going to negate that 6 or 8 hours of sitting poorly at your desk. So try to be more mindful and aware of your posture and sit with your shoulders back and your neck in more of a neutral position. The last type of pain that arises from the neck that we'll be talking about today is nerve pain, and it sucks. I'm sure we've all had that experience where you bump your elbow on a table and felt that zinging feeling going into your fingertips. Well, that's nerve pain, and it can happen in your neck. Nerve pain does not only have to feel like it's a zinging sensation, it can also feel like a burning, numbness or tingling, or you can even have weakness down one arm or even both arms or even up in your back here. Typically with nerve pain, what you're feeling is compression of something pushing on your nerve. And that something can be muscles, ligaments, joints, disc, or sometimes even worse, a tumor. If you think you're experiencing nerve pain, consult your healthcare practitioner because they may need to refer you out for some imaging like an MRI, an X-ray, or an ultrasound to rule out anything sinister. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope it was informative. And remember to keep your neck in check and save those robot moves for the dance floor. And again, my name is Dr. Neil from Strength and You, your fitness and therapy experts.